I have a patchy beard. I've tried many methods to grow a full beard because the design that I want is a full beard, but I have tried methods such as minoxidil, derma rolling, they all didn't work well for me. That's why I decided to proceed with a beard transplant procedure here at GLOJAS. At first, I did my research online for beard transplant clinics in Malaysia. There were a few results that came up, but GLOJAS was the first that came out in the search result. Then I saw GLOJAS has a lot of positive reviews on whatclinic.com, so I did further research and I found GLOJAS TikTok and YouTube channel. I watched the videos on GLOJAS TikTok and YouTube, and they made me feel confident to proceed the transplant procedure with GLOJAS.